Hello everyone, in this video we will see the work progress of Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. Delhi-Mumbai Expressway will be the longest expressway in India, which will enhance the connectivity between India's national capital Delhi and financial capital Mumbai. It is 1350 km 8-lane express highway developing at the cost of 90,000 crore. The expressway passes through 5 states: Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Will also improve connectivity to economic hubs like Jaipur, Ajmer, Kota, Chittorgarh, Udaipur, Bhopal, Ujjain, Indore, Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Surat. Out of the 1350 km contract, for 1000 km have already been awarded and construction is underway more than 680 km of the expressway. The complete expressway is planned to be completed by January 2023. This new expressway is expected to halve the commute time between Delhi to Mumbai from nearly 24 hours to 12 hours and shorten the distance by 130 km. This will generate annual fuel savings of more than 32 crore liters and reduce CO2 emission by 85 crore kilogram, which is equivalent to the planting the 4 crore trees. 15 lakh trees to be planted along the highway for environment conservation. The expressway is the first in Asia and the only second in the world to feature an animal overpass. It facilitates unrestricted movement for wildlife. The DMV will have 3 animal underpasses and 5 animal overpasses, with the combined length of 7 km dedicated for unencumbered wildlife movement. The expressway also included the iconic 8-lane tunnel, the tunneling through Mukundara Sanctuary. This project is an engineering marvel as more than 5 lakh tons of steel will be consumed to make this highway, which include 20 Howrah bridges equivalent to build almost 50 crore cubic meter of earth will be moved, which translate to 60 lakh truck trip during the construction. 35 lakh tons of cement, which is approximately 1% of India's annual cement production capacity. DME has also created employment for thousands of trained civil engineers. And one of the unique aspects of Mumbai-Delhi Expressway is the setting up of 92 wayside amenities to users' convenience and safety among the corridor. Wayside amenities will have house petrol pumps, hotels, rest areas, restaurants and shops. These wayside amenities also have helipads for increasing connectivity and evacuating people in case of medical emergency. DMV is one of the longest expressways in the world to be completed in a record frame time of 5 years, and from conceptualization to completion, in comparison with some of the world's big construction sites like 1167 km long Trans-Java Road in Indonesia took more than 2 decades to get completed. Similarly, 217 km Lone Shin Tomei Expressway in Japan took almost a decade for completion. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and Honorable Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari have solved the pre-challenges during the initial stage of land acquisition from Delhi to Vadodara section in less than 1 year. To save time during implementation, they use technology throughout the project lifecycle, where advanced technologies such as LiDAR, GPR, and digital map and done survey using drone. All the required steps are done scientifically to minimize construction time. I hope you like this video. Thank you.